In the glow of the approaching summer, wide rolling fields bow to a strong easterly wind that leads the walker into a dense forest. Tree canopies whisper stories of sandstone giants guarding an intricate cave system. Whether in tunnels, fissures or caverns, darkness, in all its forms, preserves ancient memories of an enigmatic past. Wander curiously and follow the call of the unknown. Mamerleeën derives from two words, Mamer, the name of the nearby flowing river, and Leigh, an archaic term meaning rock. We encounter the first and southernmost of the caves. The front part consists of a large hall with two open entrances. Although of natural origin, the cave has been heavily anthropized, undergoing significant structural modifications. Easily accessible and at a human's height, it is frequently visited and sometimes even used for overnight stays. This is followed by a second part that is much less known and visited. It is an impressive joint fissure that extends downwards, giving the cave a depth of about 20 meters. Exploration of this area is strongly discouraged. Although it is possible to explore it without the use of a rope and specific spelunking equipment, the risk of falling rocks is quite high. Like any respectable cave, this one has been the subject of many legends. The most widespread one claimed that it was so deep that it connected with the underground chambers of the nearby Schoenfels castle. Setting aside the legends, there does appear to be a genuine connection between the castle and the nearby caves. Some studies conducted in 1861 undoubtedly confirmed that the lower and therefore older stone layers of the 12th century defensive tower come from the Mamerleeën caves.